Hello everyone. I'm audible. Am I audible? Okay. Okay. We are able to see the device and it is running. And so yesterday we had an issue. That issue was majorly for the broker itself. We were using a free broker. Okay. So in place of the free broker, I have set up my own broker. This is the IP of that broker. I'm just putting it in the chat. Please, everyone, copy this up. Oh, sorry, not to everyone. It should go. This is the IP because this broker dot I have a list, but none of them is working consistently. I will show you that none of them is working consistently. So that is the issue because they have free servers, right? So maybe in the evening time they become busy. I don't know why. So these are some list of free brokers. I tried few of them. Everybody had the same issue actually. So I just set up my own broker on my cloud account and I'm putting the data from there. Okay. So now you can see. So my broker address here is 52.204.21.160 in my sensor code. Okay. And I'm just doing the publication. These things I have shown you yesterday. So now let us see. We were trying to create a cloud, this one. You also can do this. I will just copy paste this. I will do one thing. I will create this. Just a second. Here I will paste this. This is the client, web client. There's a web client. This is a generic client. You can test any MQTT application over here if it is over the web or it is even in the local host. You can check this out. And my broker address is 1 second, plus 52. I pasted it for you guys. It is sorry. I'll type it down. That's better. 52.204.21.160. Okay, this is the broker address, and the port is 1883. Okay. So how to set? I will just do the setting and show you. Okay. So let me do this. You will normally come to this page. Okay. When you are able to go to this page, everyone. You can say yes, no, so that I can understand. This will not be written here. This 52 will not be written there. You have to write this up. Everyone, you are able to go to this page, web link, test client dot. I will paste this on chat also so that you can copy it easily. You can go to this link, test client /cloud.mqtt.cool. Please tell me you are able to open that up. Okay, so in here you can see this gear sign. This is a configure the broker connection. Go here, click on this, write down the host name like this. Keep it TCP. Protocol will be TCP only. Keep this, write it here 52.204.21.60 and write the port number as 1883. There is no need to write any username password. Username password you don't need to write. Okay. Keep it blank. Shared connection, dedicated connection. Keep it as shared connection and save changes. and then you do connect. You will be able to go to this page. Everyone is able to go through this page, or I should repeat this one more time. Please, guys, let me know. In this one, in our main code, what is our topic in which we are publishing? Our topic is Anirban, ANIRBAN, Anirban /sensor. And we were only publishing the temperature data in our code. We'll publish the other ones also slowly. Okay, this is your publish. This part is your publish. This is your topic, Anirban _ sensor. So here what we will do is we'll write the topic here, Anirban / be careful with your spaces / add spellings. QS for now, you just keep it 0. We'll discuss about what is QS later on, and we'll do subscribe. And we should be able to see the messages here now. Now you can compare. This is the sensor data, and this is what you are getting online. You can also connect to this page and get the same values. You can see the values are same for temperature. We have only published temperature, so you can only compare the temperature here. On the right hand side, on the left hand side bottom, whatever you are seeing, this is directly printing from the device. And on the web page, you are seeing this is the live data which you are getting online. You are able to work around this? I should repeat. Whatever is this case, please let me know. Am I audible to all? Repeat, sir. Okay, why I'm not able to see the new messages? All good, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, I will again repeat it once. I'm disconnecting this client. You are able to go to this website, test client-cloud.mqtt cool. Okay, when you go to this site, you will get something. This will not be written here. Something else will be written here. Select the broker. In place of, next to that, you will see there's a configure button. Configure the broker connection. Open that. Write down your host name here. Port should be 1883. Username, password should be blank. Shared connection should be clicked, and save changes. After save changes, click on connect. You will be connected. Now on the topic filter, what is our topic? Our topic is, one second, I will write it here. Topic is Anirban sensor. I will copy this here. You have to type subscribe. You can see the latest data 30.74, 30.74. Next one is also 30.74. We are getting the same value. I should blow this up. Maybe temperature will increase. Hi, somebody has published a high over this. No need to use the publish from here. You can do that. You see there is a temperature rise because I've blown on the sensor. Again, I've done that. Let's see. Okay, everyone is able to follow. Guys, please let me know you're able to follow or not. So our broker to which we are connecting is 52.204.21.160. See, there are other type of brokers also. I will show you. These are free brokers. These also you can use. But when we are using this, they are not very consistent. So one message is sent. After the second message, you will get sometime, you will not get it sometime. So you can test all of this. I will share this link also with you guys. This is the link for this free public-private MQTT brokers. Okay. Clear? You are able to see the data online, everyone? If anybody is not able to see, please let me know in the message, please. If you are not able to see the data online, if you are not able to connect to, no, those who are able to do, that's okay. Those who are not able to do, please let me know. I am not getting the data, sir. Okay. You have gone, it is called through Kavita. Kavita, you are able to log in. You are able to go to this link, http dot. I will again paste it up for you. Okay, you are able to go to this link. Now in this link, you have to go to here, select broker. In this, there's a configure symbol is there. Click on that. Write down this broker address 552.2004.21.160. Keep it TCP, port 1883. Username and password has to be blank. And then you just do save changes. After save changes, go to connect. Once you are connected, write down the subscription topic here, Anirban dash sensor, and subscribe. QS, keep the QS same. You will be able to see the data. You are able to see the data, Kavita, now? Are you able to follow? Please let me know, guys. Yes, sir. Okay, good. Anyone is left out who is not able to see the data? Okay, everyone. Sir, I'm not able to see the data. This is Rishikesh. Rishikesh, you are able to go to this web link, test client cloud.mqtt.cool. After going to this page, you have to click on configure symbol. Okay, I will send you the link. You have to click on the configure symbol, this one, this symbol. If you click on this, you will get to this page. Here you have to write this host name. Configure symbol, click. Then write 52.204.21.160. TCP 1883. Everything is same. Just save changes. Rishikesh, you are able to do it. Save changes, then connect. After save changes, you need to connect. Connect. Then you have to write here Anirban/sensor and subscribe. Cool. Yes. So anybody is left who is not able to connect? So sorry for asking, but where to write the code? No, we have not written any code. See, what I have done is, see, I have written this code. This is an Arduino code. Okay. I have written it on the device. Okay. The device is now publishing the data, which you are able to see. So this is the live data. If you see here, this is the live data. And if you see on your web page, you will see the same temperature. Now we'll do some changes. So what we have done here is I have connected. This is my server address. I have created a Wi-Fi client. I have created a PubSub client, and I have passed the Wi-Fi client to the PubSub client. Then for BME, I'm just doing the reading Wi-Fi, and then I'm just connecting, set up the Wi-Fi. Then I created a callback function. I'm not using any callback function here, but still there is a reconnect function I've created. Okay. Then in the loop, I'm just doing the print values. Print value is a function where I'm publishing again. Anirban sensor, I'm publishing a temp. Now let me see if I publish more. If I publish the pressure and humidity also, let's see. So next is pressure. Mm, Okay, let me publish the pressure. Okay, in place of temp as, I have to do some things here. Wait. Mm, the topic is full. Then only because I have to convert only temp as will not do. Okay, so now I will be doing, this is home s. This is also home s. Here we have, okay, we have done float temp. Okay. I'm doing some modifications so that we can have this humidity and also the pressure coming down here. Okay. So let me see. I should first do this one. I'm doing the same thing which we have done yesterday for temperature read. This is pressure actually. Okay. Pressure, read pressure. I will name this as PRE. Here also PRE. Not required this one. Here I have to do it for PRE. If I do some mistake, just let me know while typing so that I can rectify it and we can do it faster. Tempest, we have this one. Okay, let us do one thing. We'll change the topics to temperature sensor. Here we'll make it to temp. Okay. Here we are just converting this topics to temperature. This is pressure. And here we are publishing PRES. Okay. Now next will be I should do this here. I think this should work. So if this is the case, let me take this again. We'll just change the values. Okay, let us do it for two only. For pressure and humidity, we'll put it. Not more than that. That will be. We can do this playful things later on also. Now you will see you will not get any data. Let it compile fully. Yes. Now if we see, we are not getting any new data. Let it write fully. We have to do some changes here. We'll cross this up. We'll create another subscribe. India, you are able to get it. You're not able to understand. You want anything? You want the link, right? Okay, wait 1 second. Just getting reconnected. Wait 1 second. Okay. Let me keep it to this only. I've done some mistake somewhere. Let me see. Print value. I've done something. Okay, I'm reading it twice. That's the issue. I was thinking of that. So it is getting very much loaded. PRE. Okay. Again, I'm writing it up. Okay. In the meantime, I will just give you the links. This is the link. This is the link. We have to go back to there again. Okay, I'm again connecting so that you can understand. Go to this configure, symbol, write down the host name. I did some mistakes somewhere. What it is. Let me see. I'm doing it for a temperature only for now. Topic related issues happen. It's okay. Okay, we have it simple for now. Let it burn up first. Should not get reset. Writing the data. In the meantime, connection, save changes, connect. We'll write the topic as Anirban / sensor. Subscribe. Start getting the data. Yes. Okay. I'm not doing the pressure thing for now. Keep it for our dummy devices directly. Okay. Okay. Anyone left out who has not been able to get this data online? Anyone? Please let me know. This is awesome, sir. Okay. I'm getting other messages also. You can put your messages. This is awesome, sir. Somebody has written. Okay. You can actually make chatbots, your chat applications using this MQTT. No, sir. Arisha, you are able to go to this link, Arisha? Arshia, you are able to go to this link. Once you go to this link, you have to go to configure. In configure, you have to write this. I will just open this one. You have to write this 52.204.21.160, 1883, username, password blank, save changes, go to connect. Then in subscription, write the subscription topic, Anirban - sensor. Subscribe. Arshia, you are able to get it? Please let me know. Okay. So I'm hoping everybody has got it. If anybody has not got it to connect, we can do some changes and do the connection. It's a very simple thing to connect. So don't worry about it. It's just a simple basic app where you have to do the configurations properly. If you're not able to do it, no issues. We'll go back to it if required. Just put me a message if you are not able to get it. Okay. We'll move ahead a little bit from there. So you have a live device and you are seeing the live data. Okay. Anyone left out? Want to understand or late joining? Anyone? Okay. I'm hoping everybody is able to see this. Now let us understand few things. This is something where our device is only acting like a publisher. Okay. Our device, sir, why is it constantly changing? It's a temperature, no? A little bit point to something will be always changing. See, 30.78 here we have. Next time I'm having 30.78 almost, 30.79. So 0.09 temperature variation will always be there. You will not be having a constant temperature. Altitude is almost fixed. Pressure is almost fixed. Humidity will also change a bit. Beyond 1 decimal point, you will always get changes in temperature and humidity. It won't be constant because a fan is there, which is converting the change. Okay. Clear, everyone? Should I move ahead? Okay, so in this situation, our device was behaving like a publisher. Okay. Our device was behaving like a publisher in this. You can also publish things from here. See, if I publish on the same topic, if I publish, then only I will get the message. Say, I will not wait. I will create another chat. Chat topic I will create. First, I will subscribe to another topic called Anirban chat. I've subscribed this to another topic. Okay. And Anirban chat QS, I am doing a hi. Publish. See, this is a different topic. Anirban chat it is, and this is Anirban Sensa. So there are two different topics. I'm getting the data. Okay. So multiple things also can work together. Looks exciting. Everyone, please let me know. Looks exciting or not? We're able to communicate. The simple form of data is going instantly to another places. You can have your own topics and you can see, but just the thing you have to remember, whoever subscribes to a topic will get your data. Okay. Am I clear? Guys, please let me know. Okay, I'm assuming I'm clear. So I will go to the next level. Okay. So these things are okay. I will just make it small now. Even this also I will remove. Very exciting, sir. Yeah, it is exciting. You're communicating. Okay. Now let me open my one second. I'm opening my PPT. This device code link I have sent you guys yesterday. You can go through that. You can get a ESP32. It's not that costly. You can get a ESP32 and a BME chip, and you can create whatever I have done. You can do that in a very easy way. It's very much available. Okay. So yesterday we did till here. Okay. So now, today, first of all, you all are working on idle, right? And you know pip install. So my IDs and setups will be a little different, but you guys know two things. For two things I want you to know. First is pip install. Pip install, you all know. Please let me know if you are not able to do pip install. Whoever is not able to do, if you are able to do, it's okay. Good. Very good. If you are not able to do pip install, no. Who is that? No. I'm not getting it here. I'm not able to get this chat here. Anyone who is not able to do the pip install, please let me know. Ayush Mahadik to me. Okay, you have done a direct message. Let me see. I'm not able to see the direct messages. I'm just able to see these. No, you have to write the message to me. It is your first person. Both are. Okay, you're sending it here. That's fine. Let me see. Okay, I have a lot of chats here. Attendance means they're not able to install pip. No, sir, I'm not able to install that. Arshia, you're not able to. How you did your last this one? How you are able to do your training? Last trying to reconnect to mqtt.cool server. Trying to reconnect. Okay. Where you are? My this thing is working. You check your internet, Baba. Maybe your internet is not there. The line is keep on loading, but not able to enter insert. You're not. Anyone else is having this problem? Kanishka is having a problem of reconnecting with MQTT cool server. I will give you the link again. This one. I just check it out one more time, Kanishka. Sorry, I'm sending it to Sanjay. I can do. Arshia, you have to go through the in the last Python class how you worked around without Python, without pip install. Arshia, can you tell me? Okay, Arshia, I will get to you later on. Yes, sir. What? Yes, I'm not. I'm asking if you are not able to do pip install, how you did the last class, how you installed the modules. Sadik, 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 tell me what you want to tell. Okay, okay, I will do that. I will tell you how to install pip. So the issue with me is that I don't use Windows. So I assume that you guys know pip installation. So let me see. Right. Just a second. Okay, I'm giving you a link, guys. Just go through this and check out your installation, pip installation. I'm audible. Amar, I'm audible now. Wait, I will
Actually, you're
increase.
audible,
Yeah, I will
but
increase my volume. Now it is okay. Now it's better.
yes, now it's too better. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, I've shared a link. Go through that and you can install your pip. In your Python class, how you installed your modules without pip? Can you let me know? And go through this. Your Python installed. So we didn't install anything with from pip. Okay. I was working with Jupyter. Okay. Okay. I got it. Fine. So you can follow this up. The link I've shared. Can anyone let me know you are able to do this Python version on your CMD? You are able to write? Guys, I will give you a 5-minute break in which you should be able to install this. Okay. If you have not installed Git, pip, please install it. Okay. If you're not able to do, let me know. Okay, what is the issue? I will just find out. Sanjana, you have installed it right now, seeing my setup, or you have done it before? If you let me know. Sir, if they type pip in the CMD, they will get to know whether it is installed or not. Now, sir. Okay. Just follow this up. Just follow this up and install this. It's 6:41. We'll meet down again at 6:45. In the meantime, if you have any issues, just message me. We have to install pip, otherwise it will be difficult for us to look into the other modules. So after this, we'll go into the client module. Sir, sorry to disturb. I was late 2 days for IoT, sir. May I please know why do we use this MQTT? Okay, that's a question. I will. Amar, we can go for this, but I'm following all the steps. Sir. Okay. See, MQTT is a communication method which we are using. It's a lightweight thing, just like your HTTP you use for web pages and request response and things like your. We had two ways. One is called Aisha. I'm talking to you. One is called request response. One is called PubSub. So PubSub is publication and subscription, which is example is MQTT, and request response is your like your web page is what you do. HTTP is your request response. Okay. So for this one, we use PubSub is something like whenever you are publishing, there's a subscriber, there's a publisher, and there's a broker. Install, but how to access it? Sir, I installed it, but how to access? There's nothing to access. Once you have installed the pip, it's okay. If your pip is installed, we'll go to the next thing. Okay, so Aisha, I'm going back to that. You have 2 minutes, everyone 2 minutes more. You install your pip. Once it is done, that's it. We'll go to the steps next. So Aisha, what is happening here? We have a publisher, we have a subscriber, and we have a broker. Broker is the thing which is at the center. A publisher is publishing the data. Subscriber is getting the data whenever it is published. So it is a publish subscribe model. It is similar to your newspaper delivery. You subscribe to a publication, and whenever there's a new paper published, you get it. It's the same way. Okay. In a request response model, that data is already there. Whenever you request, then only you get it. Then and there you get it. But it's not a live data. So in a live real-time manner, we need to do this. Okay, guys, I think everybody's done with pip. Anyone is left who is not able to install pip? Please let me know. Always my pleasure, Aisha. Thank you. I will share these PPTs if Amar, we can share these PPTs with them, right?
Yes, we'll upload the PPTs over LMS, guys. Don't worry.
Okay. And one more thing, Aisha, you can go through the lessons which we had yesterday and day before from the YouTube channel itself, so that you can get through that. It's there on YouTube only, right? Amar, it's there on YouTube.
Yes, it's there as well on the YouTube and LMS.
Yeah, cool. Which language we are writing code in IoT? See, I was showing you the code in C before. That was for the device. Now, whatever we'll do is we'll do in Python. It doesn't matter. You can change languages. It's only the setup you have to go through. That what is the procedure or what's the steps. So let me start. I think everybody is done with this. Anybody is not able to do the pip? I think everybody is able to follow. Cool. Let me see. So what we'll do next is we'll go to how to write codes. So there's something called, I will go to a page. So the in Python, in this one, in your for MQTT, we have a lot of client written in almost all languages. If you see Python clients, MQTT clients are written in all languages. So any language you work in JavaScript, you work in C, you work in Java, you work in Python, you'll always find a Python, library for clients. Client library is there in almost all languages which we generally use. Okay. Not starting downloading. Ayush, you have to check your internet. If it is not downloading, check your internet. Maybe internet is an issue. Option नहीं आ रहा है install का. How can that be? Install तो कुछ करना नहीं है ना. You have to just run this python getpip.py. That's it. Python getpip.py. After you do the curl, you have to do python-pip.py. Okay, Ayush, after entering, nothing is happening. Okay. You have checked your Python version. Python version you have checked out. Just check out the Python version. Python is installed properly or not. I am not sure. Check it out. Install ka, there will be no option. After you just type in python getpip.py, it will start collecting pip and all these things will happen. Ayush and Santosh, are you able to download? Sir, while inside Python, by default, pip will be there, sir. There might be. It might be there, it might not be there. I don't know which version of Python you have on your system, Sanjay. If it is there, it's very good. Okay, so let us check out if it is there or not. So what we'll do is we'll directly go for pip install. So I was telling out that there are different clients for all the languages which we have on. Okay, Ayush, leave it for now. We'll see. We'll just run the pip commands because some people are saying that it's already installed while installing Python. So I think if it is there, that's good. Aisha, you have to go through this web page to install pip. If it is not installed, let us see. Let us first see if by default it is installed or not. Let's see. Okay. So now what we'll do is I will go to another setup where this web page. So our client for Python client for MQTT. Okay. Python client for MQTT is called paho-mqtt. So paho-mqtt is the general client. Paho, not paha. Paho is the general client for all the languages. It is maintained by Eclipse Foundation. So this is something good. I will just search around Python paho on Google. You will get that Python paho. If you search for it, see paho-mqtt. Paho-mqtt or Python paho-mqtt. If you click on this, this is the website. I will just paste it here. And do a simple search, paho-mqtt, you will get this. Okay. Google search paho-mqtt, you will get this. This is the web page. So this is the description. This is very vividly described. The client is very vividly described, but we'll not go through this fully. If you have any doubts, any time about how the functions work and how the protocol works, this is in the client side mainly. It's a very good tutorial. It has everything. I have not got better client description on any other languages. I've worked with C, I've worked with C++, with MQTT, I've worked with JavaScript, I've worked with Dart. In any of these languages, I've not found a better description or better client. This is one of the best clients for MQTT actually. C is also good, but this is one of the best. Okay, let me just check out if I'm getting any chats. No, not got any chat. Sir, only Python by default. Okay, so this is your paho MQTT. So let's go back to our PPT. Yes. So you have to install. So now in your CMD, you have to write this: pip install paho MQTT. paho-mqtt. Pip install paho-mqtt. Pip install paho. Everybody is able to? Pip space install paho-mqtt. Installed, sir. Good, Sanjay. Keep the spelling intact. The space is intact as the same way it is here. In the CMD. In the CMD where you have written, you have installed the pip, at the same place you have to write. Pip install paho-mqtt. Able to? Ayush, you are able to do that? Anyone who is not able to do, please let me know. I will put it on the general chat also. Done, sir. Sanjaya. Good. Sanjana, sorry. You can copy paste it if you want. Okay. So next in your idle, you can write this. Or I should say, I will remove this part. Write these three things. Import, I will just do that. See, you have to write this in idle. Okay. I'll be writing it in my notepad simply. Simply, I will create another this one. I will write down here. Whatever I'm writing here, you have to write in a idle file, or you can write it on a file also if you want. You know how to write the code in a file, right? File.py. Anyone who doesn't know, please follow import paho.mqtt paho.mqtt.client as MQTT. Okay, I will just copy this up and I will paste it in your chat so that you can directly copy this up. One by one, run this up. Don't give the spaces. Or I will directly write it in my this one. Open. Some writing here. So second. Okay, so this is my ID, like what you do in idle. I have this ID. I'm just pasting this up here. Okay, these three lines. I'm saving this. Let's say test.py. I'm saving this as test.py. So pip, the term pip is not recognized. Ayush, your pip is not installed. You have to install your pip. Shows like this. Your pip is not installed. You have to follow that up properly. Your pip is not installing. Maybe your Python is, should I download three? No, that should not be a problem because this is where are we? Yeah, here it doesn't matter that way. So what might be the issue is just go to this web address. You are able to access that web address. Just see. Your curl is completing, right? You are able to download the full curl part, right? Here, when you are writing this curl HTTPS and this one, you are able to download this. This is happening. Say yes or no, Ayush, so that I can understand. No. So you have to download this from this web page first. If this curl is not happening, then just go to this web page. It will show up directly as a file. It will either download or it will show as a raw file. You just copy paste in your text editor and save it as get-pip.py and then run this Python from the same location so that you get it in the same way. Okay. This file is not downloading. If the file is not downloading, definitely the Python code will not run. Okay. Just do that in the backend. We'll go ahead and see what to do. Okay, so now let me see. I have done this test.py. I have saved it as test.py. I will run it as. See, your running is different. You know how to. Everyone know how to use idle, right? I'm just assuming you know how to use idle. Okay. So in idle, you can write this Python code properly. Where is my Python code? Let me see. No, this one was there. Okay. Now I will just try to run this Python. Then this one was test.py. Sorry, test.py. It should be. In the same mistake. Okay, so I'm not getting any errors. That means I am right with the setup. You save it, you write this code, you write these lines, save it as something like test.py, and then run it. It should not give you any errors. If it's not giving you any errors, yes. If it is not giving you any errors, that means we have not done anything. You can simply see we have just imported, we have created a client object. Ayush, you are able to do it. If you're getting any issues, just let me know. Huh? We'll sort it out in a minute. Okay. So if you see Paho, we are just importing paho-mqtt client as MQTT. And then what we are doing, we are we are creating no module name paho error. Bindya, you have not installed paho properly. Your paho is not working. You have not installed. Follow the link properly, and you should be able to download. Okay, sir. Git Python was not found. Run argument to install from Microsoft Store. Your Python is not installed properly. You don't have Python installed. Just check out the Python version. I think your Python is only not installed. Your Python is not found. That's the issue. Just check out your Python version. If you're running a Python code was not found. Python is not found. Okay. Okay. Just set out your Python first. Okay. So let's know module name paho. Bindya, you are able to get it. Pip install. You have to do pip install paho. You have done that. There's no link for paho. You have to you have installed pip. If you have installed pip properly, then you have to just simply write this on your CMD. On your CMD. Before running this, please install pip, install paho-mqtt. Okay. Okay. And run, put this, sir, I'm not able to open the file after saving it. Which file you are not able to open? So Anjana, please let me know which file you are not able to open. Timeout error. You are not connecting anything. Okay. Okay. In place of, okay, everyone, just do one thing. In place of this broker, this is the issue. This broker.hivemq.com is there, na? This is the public broker. Sometimes it connects, sometimes it doesn't connect. So what broker we were using? Our broker was, let me see, our broker was called 52.204.21.60. So we'll put this up here. Okay. Fine, everyone. Sanjay, you have saved it somewhere. Just see where you have saved it. Manjunatha, you are getting a timeout error because we were using the public one. Use this one, you will not get this timeout error. Where to save the above code within Python folder? No, you can save it anywhere. Wherever you are saving it, run it from there only in idle. Okay, guys, we'll take another 5 minutes break. In the meantime, you just install and just run this code so that we'll take a 5 minutes break. It's 7:03, not 5. We'll join back at 7:10. In the meantime, you just do these things. Install pip, then install paho-mqtt using pip. These two things you have to do on CMD. Then on this is your code line. 3 lines are there. You have to open your idle. Sir, it's run successfully with no error. Sanjay, good. You save it in idle as test.py and then run it in idle. Okay. I will do one thing. I will also install idle and I will also code in idle only so that it becomes easier for you guys. Okay, fine. I will do that. In the meantime, if you have any issues, let me know. I'm doing that and we'll meet back at 7:10. In the meantime, if you have any issues, let me know. I'll be doing the problem solving in the meantime. Whoever has been able to run this successfully without any errors can take a break for 7 minutes or 6 minutes now. Okay. Timeout, for the timeout error, I have told you to change this to, I will just again give you the code. Wait. You have to change this to, wait 1 second. Yeah, you have to change this to this 52.204.21.160. Timeout is happening because it's a pre-server. Okay. Yeah. Arshia, you save this file as get that as get-pip.py. Save this file as get-py. Okay. And then run it through Python. It will be installed. I will just copy paste this one more time. Don't put the spaces in between. The output will be no errors. Mm. Time with 52.204.21.160 also you are getting timeout error. Okay. It will be blank. You will not get any error. That's the thing. Okay. I'm just triggering this process. Let's see, I'm able to do this or not. It will be blank. You should not get timeout error if you are putting this properly. Yes, yes. This is right. I wish it's right only. Output will be blank only. Nothing to show. If you are getting a socket error, please check this properly. 52.204.21.60. You have to do it properly. Okay. I'm installing idle my system so that I can tell you guys what to do. You can name the idle code as test.py. We'll create a sub and a pub function. So our, if we see our this thing system here is still running, right? Our client is still running. Our data is still publishing. Yeah, we are getting NAN. So something wrong with the sensor. Let me see. What is the data we are getting on the sensor part? Save it as test.py, everyone. Okay, our device sensor is not connected properly, so we are getting a NAN error. Wait. Let me see. I have reset this. No, our sensor is not connected properly. Something has happened with it. No, what has happened? Um, yes, now we are getting the data again. Paho installed. What to do next? After Paho install, you have to run this code, which I have given on the chat. You can see. Yes, this is the code you have to run. Shows. Showing 0. Oh, now it's showing fine. What is showing 0? Okay, so now we are back again. So this was our initial thing. Now let us look into the general code part. My ideal should be up and running now. Let me see. Okay. Open up. See. So now we'll create. Okay. I also got my idle. Good. Now it's okay. So in idle, what you do normally is new file. Create a new file. I think you guys know this. Where is my new file? Okay, this is my new file. Okay, I will get this down here. This is my new file. I can increase the font size here. I don't know. Edit. Anyone can help me with the font size? How to increase the font size, format, run. Guys, I need your help. I'm not an ideal guy. Oh, anyone? Okay, fine. I will write the code directly now. Then we'll see if it's not visible. Option menu, sir. Font can change from options. Okay, font. Configure idle. I think that is the thing, right? Keys, extension. Okay, I can change font size to 18 will be good. Like, okay. Now it's good. Yes, it's good. So let us look into two files. We want to create two setups now. One is, no, you guys have to follow me here. First, first we'll go through this one. We'll first go through our normal code systems and then we'll do. Okay, yeah, control plus plus. Thank you. Okay, so here we'll go to a little bit of theory first and then we'll start writing our codes. Okay. So to write a publish function, what we do is we'll first import a paho-mqtt client. Okay, so let's do that. We'll do import. For import line, we'll do this. Import. I should simply paste it. Okay. Import paho-mqtt. You are able to see it, sir. If I use this broker later, can I get the result? It depends. It's my private broker. If it is on, you will get it. If you don't, if it's not switched on, you will not get it. You can use the other private ones. In some time in the day, particularly in the evening time, these brokers are normally busy because across the world people work on that. Sir, if I use this broker later, can I see the results? Yes. You can see in most of the time. Okay. Now, okay. Import. So now we are writing a publish function. Okay. Now, next step is create a paho-mqtt client. So we'll do it. Client is equal to mqtt dot. You guys have to type with me, huh? I'm typing with you. You also type. So you can simply make a client here like this, or else if you want to specify your client ID, you can write a client ID like this. Client underscore ID is equal to, let's say for me, you have to give a unique name, huh, which is not common for the client. If you don't do this part, client ID, if you keep this as like this, then the MQTT broker will screen is not visible. Okay, wait 1 second. I have stopped sharing and again sharing back. Now it's visible. Okay, I've written import paho-mqtt client. I'm making a publish py function. Okay, so here I'm saying first step is import paho-mqtt client. You will do this like this. Then you have to create a paho-mqtt client object. So you can create a client object like this mqtt.client. You can also write down a client ID, client underscore ID as a unique name. If you don't do this, broker will give a client ID itself. I'm giving it so that we can trace it back. Okay. After this, we'll do a client connect, client.connect, and we'll use our broker for now. Later on, you can try with other free brokers. I've shared the link already. And our port is 1883. Okay. You write your broker URL in inverted commas and port as number. Okay. Now next we'll do client dot publish. We'll publish in Anirban chat. We have subscribed to 2 topics, right? Anirban chat. Subscribe to this topic also if you have not subscribed on your web client. Payload will be hello publisher. Okay. Let's save this. I will save this as let's say sub underscore test dot py. You can name it as you like, but keep the sub part in the naming so that it becomes easier for you to track down. Okay. Saving this. Sorry. Oh. Mistake. Sorry. I have to again save it. It is pub, not sub. Sorry, everyone. Save it as pub.test. Okay. Now I will open the sub. Open the sub. Open the, remove this. This is my sub.test. Okay. And I'm writing here as sub. Okay. So we'll do the sub later on. First, let's work on the pub. So this was our pub function. Do we have to give unique connect code? Also, sir, connect code? No. Connect code will be common only. So here you are writing your URL and here you are writing your port. Everyone will have the same port and URL. Okay. I will copy paste this on the chat so that you can directly see it on the chat. Where is the chat? Okay, wait. Let me open the chat. My chat is over. Okay. Now let's run this file. How we run this? Edit format, run. Yes. F5. I think we should be able to see it in the scenario where we should be able to see this. Where is the support? Wait for the subcode. First, let's do the pub code. We'll do the subcode later. Subcode, I'm just, it's not done yet. Okay. No, it's not local devices, dear. We are working this 52 dot. This one is not a local IP. It's a generic IP. So EC2 instance in AWS. So let me see. Where is my pub? Run module. I'm not getting anything. Why? Okay. There's no output of this. Let us see in our web page we are getting something or not. Okay. In our web page for chat, we have got anything. Hello publisher. See, you can see hello publisher. Everyone is able to see hello publisher. I will remove this sensor for now. Okay, I will just keep this. Yes, confirm. I don't want this. Now let me run my idle again. And let us see if we are getting the. Yes, hello publishers. Good. We are getting this. We are publishing from the Python code and we are getting it on the web client. All the clients, whoever the client is, in whichever language they all can communicate. So it doesn't have a language barrier. See, a web client here, this is actually maybe running on JavaScript and your publisher is running on the Python. Your one publisher is running on C on your embedded device. Okay, so there are different clients on different platforms, but they all can communicate together on the same protocol because they are in the same protocol. Okay, so let us look into this one. Okay, so now everyone is okay with publisher. So we can go to the sub part. If anybody is having a problem with the publisher code, let me know. This is very simple code. Anyone having issue, please let me know. No, sir. If anybody is having, please let me know. If you don't have, it's good. Vinayak, it's good. I think your name is Vinayak. I don't know. It's very cryptic. Where to test? See, when I'm doing a F5 here or I'm running it here, okay, I can go to my web client. I can go to my web client. In my web client, I have subscribed to the topic Anirban/chat and I'm able to get hello publisher. Hi. Okay, I'm getting hi also from somewhere. You can write your different where to test. Yes, this one only. Test client, cloud, and just remember the topic is Anirban/chat. See it here. It's Anirban/chat. Guys, you can publish different things. Sadhika, you have to write it on the chat. I cannot, if you have any issues, just write it on the chat. Okay. From Python, yes, sir. Hello, publisher. So we are getting different messages. You all can see these messages, right? Chalo, I'm hoping it's going well. Okay. So now so this has become your publisher. Now we'll write the subscriber. Going back here. The publisher part is okay. Now let's go to the subscriber. Subscriber has a little bit extra things. What all are there? Okay. So subscriber will first have the same scenarios like your publisher. It will have these two things. So create another file as sub_test.py or at least sub.py. Okay. Client ID, I have written Anirban sub. You can write any other or you can leave that blank. Every day I have same question. Sadhika, you can tell me what is your question? Sadhika. Yeah. Hope I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, so create paho-mqtt client object. We have done these two steps. Then create an on message. So we have to create two functions: def on connect it will have some things I will write down later. And so I will write it pass now. And there will be another function called def on message. Larger font, I cannot make larger than this. It will be very difficult for me to see. Okay, let me see. I will increase the font size more. It's like 22 I can do. Okay, now it's okay. Topic test. You can check out your message here only, na, on the web client only. You can check your message. Good evening. Hello, Anirban sir. Hello, publisher. So we have different messages coming down. You can check out from here. You will send your message, check your message. Write something unique. You will get it. Okay. Okay, let us go back to our subscriber on message. Okay. This is also a function. And we'll again do pass here for now. We'll come down to these functions later on. Okay. Attach the above two function to client functions. Client functions ke saath we have to attach this. So how to do that? That is client dot on connect is equal to on connect. Okay. QS0 will be coming down to that. Don't worry. We'll first write these two things. QS0 and all we'll discuss. That's there as agenda. Don't worry. On connect, and then we'll have a same thing as client dot on message is equal to is equal to on message. So these are functions. Whenever your client connects to the broker, your on connect function will be run. And whenever you get a new message, your on message will be run. Okay. I'm clear with this. Whenever your client is connected to the broker, it will run the on connect function. Whenever your client gets a new message, it will connect to it will run the on message function. Okay. Now let us do the connect function here. Client.connect function will write next. It will be a little bit different. It will have this 60 as extra. This is your timeout. 60 comma. Put a 60. After that, you put a comma. Okay. I will copy paste and give it to you again. Don't worry. Then we'll write a while one. You can use different loop structures for this, but I am very comfortable using this one, while one. And this is client dot loop. So what happens? This subscriber program will run infinitely because it will be waiting. Maninga, you have to write on the DM so that I can get the issue. Please write the issue. So I will copy paste this fully. Not now. Let me complete the on connect and functions first. So in on connect function, Manika, you can write your problem on this one, on DM or message directly. So on connect will have some attendance. Yeah, please get the attendance and feedback. This one. Okay. So these are some arguments on connect will have. On connect will have this client argument. Then it will have the user data. Then it will have the flags. And lastly, it will have the sorry. My mistake. It will have flags and it will have RC. RC is your error. Okay. In place of pass, now what we'll do is we'll write function. So here first, this is a normal default we normally do. This is your print function where you will put a F. You will put connected with code So what is the code you are getting? Error code or the right code? If it is connected properly, it will be 0. What is 60? 60 is the timeout here. So because your subscribe function is having a subscription directly, so every 60 seconds it will get disconnected and again reconnected. Okay, because we cannot have an infinite setup here. Okay, connected with code, we'll do str. We are just typecasting it, and it is rc. We are typecasting the rc. Okay, rc. This one is okay. Inverted commas. This. So it should be printing the RC value. RC value is normally 0. There are other error codes also. You can go through the MQTT document for knowing the other codes. Okay. Now, normally we do when we subscribe, whenever we are subscribing, we will go for in the on connect function. Whenever your client is connecting, you will do all the subscription there only. Okay. Client connect dot subscribe. Okay. What you will subscribe to, you will write your Anirban/chat, or if you want Anirban/chat, you can subscribe to this also. Sorry, you can subscribe to another topic, which is Anirban.sensor. So both the topics we are subscribed to. Control V, sensor. Clear? We are subscribing to both the topics inside the connect function. Once we connect to the broker, we subscribe. That's the way it is. Okay. And message, it should be message and message here. So now inside it is on message, not an on massage something. I have written it wrongly. So here what we'll do is, here also we have some arguments, like client will always be there as an argument. There's user data will also be argument, and then we'll have the message argument. This is the message which we have received. There are 3 arguments here. Oh, wait, not comma, it will be comma. If you're getting any doubts, just let me know. Okay, we'll do a print of this thing. Okay, we'll do str. We'll convert typecast the message. Message has majorly two things. Message.topic gives you the topic from which the message has come, and will again do a typecast as string. Message.payload is something where you get the data. That is mandatory that we use your name only for that. You can use any name. You can leave that. If you leave that, the broker will give you some name. Okay. So it's like I have written it, so I'm giving my name. I am writing this code, so I've given you a single topic name. You can write your own topics and subscribe and publish to that topic. Okay. RC is your RC is your error codes. Okay. RC is 0, flag is true or false. You don't have to do anything on that. Leave the flags for now. Okay. For more details of this, I have already given you the link for paho-mqtt. This is very well described. I will not be able to do a better job than this. paho-mqtt. Here they have described everything. Installation, this, what is each and everything. There are too many other options also which are there. This is too wide and it has all the things written. See here somewhere RC you are seeing result of publication. It is 0. Error success, error size. All error codes will be here in this. Okay, so coming back to our subscribe. Okay, str payload, message payload. Then we are closing this. Then we are closing this. Then we are closing this. Okay. So whenever a message comes, this function will be run. When this, please share the link. Okay. Yeah, I will share this link again. Just search for paho-mqtt. You will get that. I'm sharing it anyway. Okay. So where will be? Okay. This is done. That's it. Whenever the message on message function is called, that means some new data has come. If some new data has come, what we have to do, we have to write down that data's that message dot topic we are printing and message dot payload we are printing. So let us run this. Controls. I'm just pasting this for everyone again as the code. Okay, so now let us run this up and see. You saved, okay. Already saved it. We are getting some error. A client user data flags and RC. Typecast on connect. I've done something wrong. Just a second, guys. See. Just take this and see if I've done anything wrong here. I'm just copy pasting from my code in here. And only let me see. Function F5. Getting missing required position argument client. On connect. Okay, client dot on connect. Type on connect. Oh. Ah. This is my error. See. Here we don't have to use these. Sorry, my mistake. I've done this. You don't have to use this. Okay. I'm again copying and pasting it. Please go for the new one. You don't have to put brackets after on connect on message function here. Okay. So I'm saving this again. Let me run this up. This time it should work proper. Oh, client object has no attributes. Subscribe. I'm writing something wrong here. Subscribe. I'm written. Just a second. Let me see. Client dot subscribe. So I've written everything okay only. Let me see. I will do this again. Just a second. While typing, I might have made some mistakes. This we are not using username here. And here, let me see. I'll put sensor first. Sensor function F5. I'm getting everything. Yeah, I'm getting it properly. So maybe something I'm writing wrong. I will just again copy paste it and give it to you. I will give you another subscribe. Okay, we have started getting the data. If you can see. Yes, good. I have written something wrong somewhere. I don't know. Maybe some type error I have done. Sensor, then chat. Now this should work. Yes, this is also working. So you can write something on the chat. You will get it, guys. This is my sensor data. Huh? I will just open my Arduino also for you to see. See, this is your data you're getting. And I can open my web browser also. All the places you're getting the same thing. Yeah, Zaina, it's correct. Whatever you're getting is correct. I'm just copy pasting that one more time so that if by mistake you have got the wrong code. I'm copy pasting this code again for sub on the chat so that if you have not been able to. Okay. So you can see whatever is published here. I will split screens for all. Okay, so that you guys can see it properly. So this is your this one, this is your this one, and the web thing also. Where is my web thing? Okay, let me do that also. Okay. Okay. You can see the data here from Python. Okay, I don't have the topic here. Wait 1 second. Anirban slash sensor. Also, if I subscribe, so we'll get this new data also. See, okay. We are getting all the data from everywhere. Let us see. Excuse me. So all this data is coming around. So currently what all we are having a sensor device, which is shared on Anirban sensor. From the device, we are getting this data. We are having a subscriber running on Python, where we are getting this data. We have a subscriber running on the web app. Clear to everyone? Any doubts anywhere? Please let me know. You can see the synergy also. See, all three places you are getting the same data. Okay. No, sir. Maninga, what is the issue? Where you are not able to get the data? Please be specific. See, you can see it here, here, and here. All the three places we have. This is coming directly from the device. The black part you are seeing, this is directly coming from the device. This is your Python subscriber. This is your web subscriber. All three are having the same data. And that too on a real time. You're getting it? Maninga, please let me know what is the issue. Where you are not getting the data, which data you're not getting. Okay. So now coming back to a little bit theory, we'll do a little bit of theory and then we'll wrap up today's session. So this is subscriber publisher. This is the practical part of it for the Python codes. Okay, we'll do different logics in this and the later parts. Okay, so now some questions for you. So there's something called wildcard. Okay, in Python. So as you can see in our web app, we are subscribing to two topics. Okay, we'll just cross them up for now. And so there are two wildcards normally. I'm stopping these two. For me, you can continue doing it if you want. So we have two wildcards. One is called hash. That is after you are writing here for my topic, it is Anirban / then hash. Okay. This is one type of, this one you can see Anirban sensor hash. Then Anirban plus, so you can see these kind of topics, right? Anirban sensor temperature, Anirban sensor humidity, Anirban pressure, Anirban user 1 sensor temperature, Anirban user 1 sensor humidity, Anirban user 2 sensor temperature, Anirban user 2 sensor humidity. You're able to see these topics. The hash gives you anything after this. Whatever is there after this, anything will come, it will just simply subscribe to that. First case and the second case. This one is plus, whatever comes in the middle. Whatever comes in the middle, it will just avoid it. So your first subscribe topic, that is Anirban / hash, will subscribe this one, this one, this one, and all these, because all have Anirban / as a common part in it. Okay, this will be subscribing all. Clear, everyone? Now in the second one, it will only subscribe to these three. Only these three. Because the other ones don't have the sensor element. Case one only. This one is Anirban plus sensor. So there should be something in between. So all the case two temperatures will be Anirban user 1 sensor temperature, Anirban user 2 sensor temperature, Anirban user 3 sensor temperature. All the three will be case 2, case 2 temperature topics. Temperature topics. Okay. Will be subscribed. You're getting everybody understood the wildcard thing? There are two kind of wildcard. One is hash, which is kept at the last point. Whatever comes after that, you are subscribed to the full thing. And another is plus. If you write it in between, whatever is there as a placeholder, it will subscribe to all of them. Okay. Any doubts about this while using wildcard? So let's use this wildcard and see. We'll use one of the wildcards, where I will write it as Anirban /hash. And I will subscribe to this. And you will see I will start getting new data points. Getting new data points. Yes, I'm start getting new data. So now anyone writes on the chat as well as on the sensor, I will get both the data together. And I'm publishing the topic so I can understand from where that data is coming. So here, if I do high again, I can see this high function. High. Okay. Everyone is clear with this? Wildcards. I'll move to QoS then. QoS is quality of service. QoS is quality of service. Okay. So there are three QoS: QoS0, QoS1, QoS2. QoS0 means fire and forget. So it will simply, the client will publish to the broker and nothing else will happen. If the broker gets it or broker doesn't get it, the client doesn't mind it. So it's fire and forget. Mostly we use QoS0 because we want real time. Maninga, please let me know what is the issue. I have already asked you what is the issue. You have simply written no, sir. So I want to know what is the issue you are getting. Okay, QoS0. Similarly, QoS1, what happens whenever you publish, you get a published acknowledgement called pub-ac. So it works with the protocol only. You don't have to do anything. If you go for QoS1, so that will make sure that your data has received by the broker at least once. The first one is fire and forget. You just send it and you don't know it has reached or not. The second one is QoS1, which is at least once. Okay. The first one is also called at most once. So it is sending once. So you will definitely get it once or you will not get it. But QoS1, what will happen? It will publish. It will wait for acknowledgement for the timeout. If it doesn't get the acknowledgement, it will again publish. So it will keep on publishing until it gets the acknowledgement after the timeout. Okay. Now the third is QoS2, where there's a 4-level scenario where you first publish, you get a pub receive message. Once you get a pub receive message, you send a pub rel that I have relayed it, and then pub complete. And if these messages are not received, it will keep on sending it. So it is exactly once you will get this data. Type error on connect missing for. Yeah, I have sent you this one. Just check it out. I will again copy paste this. Wait 1 second. I'm again sending the code. Please check down, guys. Okay. So you can just copy it from here directly. Just refer the code from the chat then. Okay. Okay, so let me go to the next point, that is your LWT. LWT is something which is called last will testament. Last will testament is something like whenever your client, okay, whenever your client doesn't send data for a particular time period, that is normally 60 seconds. If it is not sending any data, or it is not connecting, not sending only, if it is not connected to the broker, you will get a on the LWT topic, you will get a value, or you will get the payload on the. So it is something like it's another topic which can be assigned by each client, that if I am dead, then to all my subscribers, whoever has subscribed to the topic I'm publishing, broker, please send this message to all of them on this topic. So this is a will set topic. You can set a will whenever your client is dead. Everybody who is subscribed to that will get this message. Will set. Let's see. We'll do it this way. We'll add this to our publish if you want. Let's see if we can do that. Publish connect. Before connect, you have to do this. Here we like client dot will set topic will be let's say I'm writing my name only. You can do anything LWT. Just it's a topic name. You can write any topic name. Payload is not. So that whenever this runs, QS retain is false. Okay, so let me run this. And let me see. My subscribe should also publish this. Wait 1 second. I will open my subscribe also. My subscribe should also subscribe to this topic, right? Then only it will get the LWT. So it will subscribe to this topic called LWT. Okay. So let's save this. We'll run both. We'll first, we'll stop this. Stop this. We'll run this. We'll run this one again. And we'll run this also once, and then it will die off, and we'll get. Wait, I cannot run both together. Okay. 101 hash, na, so we will get this here. Somewhere on the web app, we'll get it. Here I cannot run both together. So 101 sensor has got anything. Let me see. Guys, please fill your attendance. Here we have this LWT, and here we have this. Here we have this set will. Okay. Publish. After that, this will die. So let us see that we have got this message or not. We have got this message anyway. Dead. So we need to do some experiment with this. Hello, publisher, we have got. We'll get this message after 60 seconds. Hello, publisher, lately we have not got. Yeah, we have got this. Okay, you guys need to check this out. We'll see it in some time. Take 60 seconds or maybe more than that. Depends on the server. When the server thinks it's dead. So after publishing, we are not connected to this broker anymore. So it will take 60 seconds or more, because we have not given any timeout here. If you see in our this one, we don't have a timeout function. So here we have not written anything like what we have written in here in our subscribe, we have not written any timeout here. So it will take the subscribers timeout, that's I think 120 seconds or something like that. So you can test it out. Client dot will set. Okay. Okay, I think this is okay. Any doubts you have, guys? Please let me know. So today what we did, we created a pub sub scenario, and we created a publication through my devices also, through my device, and we had a club. We had a web app of the client where it is again subscribing, and we subscribe through the Python code also, and we publish also to the Python code. Okay. So now tomorrow we'll start up with Raspberry Pi virtualization. I will do one thing. I will just share with you guys some links. Just a second, guys. I will share with you guys. I'm giving you guys a link. Okay. This thing you should copy. Amar, you should also keep a link. Keep this link. This is the link for Raspberry VM. It is okay. The above link which I've shared. People should download from this one. Okay. If you're not able to download, we can do that tomorrow. Also, no issues. Then, apart from that, there's a readme.txt. This also I'm giving you. This will tell you what to do. And this is the readme file. Okay. First link is for downloading the Raspberry Pi VM. The second link is to what to do with it. So I'll just open up this file. Just a second. Okay. So this is the common link. This is the link from the original link, which is okay. I have given you from my box account. I have given you these links. You can directly download it from this link also. I have shared the README file. The second link is for the README file. This is the file which is there in the README. So you can go to the sourceforge.net and download this, or you can download it from the first link I have given. Both will work. Okay. The procedure is after downloading, you will need to set the package. Browse the download folder, unzip this qum.zip to your hard disk anywhere like this. Open QM subfolder, double click on the bat to get started. A virtual Raspberry Pi will appear with Raspberry Vizi booting up. Wait a while this completes. It should progress as illustrated in this video. This is the video link. You can follow up. Okay, everyone. These two links and this text, please, Amar, you share with them also. And if you're not able to do this, we'll take 5-10 minutes in the next class to make you go through that. And I will be on my Windows system on the next day so that it becomes easier for you guys also to work around. Okay. But okay, use the web app, use the subscribe, use, I will again give you the link for the, this link also, I think, Amar, you should share with them. This is one link. No, this free public MQTT. These brokers you can test. The broker which I have given, I don't know how much long it will be available. Please check out these brokers, whichever is available or working fine with you, you can use them. Okay. Okay, guys. Anything you want to add, Amar?
No, guys, if you have any query or question for me, please let me know.
Anyone? So we'll just wait for a minute and then we'll close up. If anybody has any questions, just put it out
Yeah,
on
sure.
the chat. Okay. You enjoyed today's class? You can give me a direct feedback also. Yeah. How to download VM in Linux. And VM in Linux also should work in the same way. You go for this one. Let me give you this. Guys, I don't do that in Linux. I will, but code is not running. What code is not running, Kamalam? If you can be more specific. Subcode is not running. I have given you the subcode. Okay, I will give you another links also for the subcode. Just a second. Just a second. I will give you those links to download this code also. If you are not able to work it around. You can add subtract to the subcode. Just a second. This is the subcode. Okay. Just test it out. Okay. Now this is fine. All this is okay. I think no more questions I'm receiving. Hope you guys did well. For the VM in Linux, I will just check it out. That what is this called is RPyQEMU. RPyQEMU is there for RPyQUM. QEMU. Just search for it. You can get this here. This is for Python, Linux, everyone, huh? Okay. Okay, guys, let's drop today's class. Everyone, bye-bye. Have good night. Tomorrow we can meet. New replies, type error on connect, missing 4 required connection. I think something is going wrong in your thing. You have copy pasted my code, the new code. Kamalam, you have copy pasted the code. Guys, whoever has any doubt can stay. Otherwise, you guys can leave. Okay. Thank you. Good night. Kamalam, you have to be quick. You have to reply as and the change to. I have given you. Wait 1 second. I'll just open up my subscribe. My subscription was also giving that error, but later on it was solved. I'm just opening this up. Just check out. It's point to point same. This is not important. This is a commented line. Leave. Don't write it. Just check it out. Client is equal to MQTT client. Okay. User client will read RCF RC. This is okay. Client subscribe and chat. See, you have this spelling is wrong. Subscribe spelling is wrong. Subscribe. SUBSCRIBE. Subscribe spelling is wrong. Kamalam. Just check it out. That's the reason why it is happening. This is my older code. I have corrected it and given you in my code. Just check out. You see client.subscribe Anirban chat which you have written. In that the subscribe S is missing. SUBCRIB it is written. SUBS it should be. Okay. Just change it. It will work. Kamalam, please let me know quickly so that we can wind it up. Can copy paste this one. Just write it down. I'm just giving you good night, Rishikesh. Now check this out. This code is working in mine. See, this is connected, working. Come on, do it fast and let me know so that we can finish off or we can continue that tomorrow. Okay, I will fix it later. Just copy this up, huh? Keep it copied. Okay, guys. Bye. Bye, everyone. Take care.
Okay, thank you so much, all of you. Then we'll meet you on tomorrow at same time. And Anirban, your turn, right?